My name is Giggles. My name is Princess Pickles. My name is Pixie. My name is Yippee. My name is Stuff. And we are Mutton Stuff. We're making some hardcore puppy powder.
Wow.
Stuff, shush, it'll work. Okay. We're making puppy powder. We're making puppy powder. See? All the white stuff is puppy powder. See? Puppy powder.
What are you talking about?
Puppy powder. So you go like this, and you get the rock and puppy powder.
You pound a rock and then
You're like this
sand comes off?
after the video. Yeah, I guess.
And what is it?
Puppy powder. Puppy powder.
It's puppy powder.
I need the cat. I need the cat. Puppy powder. See, watch. Puppy powder. See all the powder coming out? See all of it? It's puppy-tastic. So if you need powder, call us puppies. Giggle. I'm done. Puppy powder.
Is this your slave labor snacks right there you have with you?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay. We'll keep making that puppy powder. We're going to sell it
Hand that down.
$1,000 per ounce of puppy powder.
We haven't even made a cupful yet. I need some more chips. But it will cost money to have some. It will cost $1. Guys, I just take a bite and put it back in the pile. Shush, Giggles. Shush, Giggles.